M&M's.
Hi you guys, welcome to our video today. Today I'm cooking with the kids.
Mommy.
I have Benjamin and Zachary with me.
Mommy.
Zachary has the food coloring. We're going to make some pumpkin shaped Rice Krispie treats. And what are the ingredients, Benjamin? What's this?
Rice Krispie treats, marshmallows.
We're going to use some
Food
M&Ms.
coloring.
Yes, we have food coloring.
And M&Ms.
And we have some rolos that we're going to use as the stem. So we're going to make some basic Rice Krispie treats, and they're going to be shaped like pumpkins. They're super cute. So we will make them for the holidays this year. Halloween's almost here, so we're going to be super festive. All right, so we're going to pour the marshmallows. Oh, going to take a couple to try them. Make sure they taste good.
They do.
All right, we have our melted butter. We're going to pour the marshmallows into. Okay, we're gonna stir this around, boys, a little bit. Don't eat too many. We're gonna put this back into the microwave for about 3 to 4 minutes so that we can melt the marshmallows so we can be ready for the Rice Krispies. All right, so we microwaved the marshmallows with the butter. We're gonna stir it around a little bit, and we're going to add in our food coloring to make it orange. So we have to add in, let's add in the yellow first, okay? We're gonna put some yellow food coloring. Benjamin's gonna put the red in. Okay, let me take the cap off. Put just a couple squirts of red. Good job. Okay, let's mix it all together. It's making orange.
Ooh, this is my favorite color. Yeah, it's in my dark too.
Zachary's favorite color too.
But are we gonna put more?
Okay, so we have our Rice Krispie treats. The boys are gonna pour them in. Pour it in, Zachary.
Oh, Mommy.
It's okay. All right, so we're stirring in the orange melted marshmallows with our Rice Krispie treats. All right, we've almost got it mixed together. The boys are testing it.
That's yummy.
All right, now we are ready to make our pumpkin shapes. Okay, so we're gonna make a big tight ball with the cooking spray on our hands. Zachary, are you eating the Rice Krispie treats?
Yeah.
Ben, you wanna make a ball?
Yeah.
Here, let me spray your hands. Let me spray your hands. Other hand? Okay, make a ball. Okay, make it nice and tight. All right, well, it looks like I'm making the Rice Krispie balls and the boys are just gonna eat it instead, but that's okay, we're having fun. All right, so we've made the balls for the pumpkins, and now we're gonna put the little stem on, and the little leaf, we're gonna use an M&M, and our pumpkin Rice Krispie treats will be ready to go. All right, so we're gonna put the little stem on, and then we're gonna put the M&M on to be the little leaf. Okay, Zachary, you can eat that one. So the boys are loving making these because they're eating lots of snacks. Okay, Zachary, put that one on there, buddy. Now we're gonna make the little stem. Put the little stem, or the little leaf on.
I eat on the Mommy. I eat on the...
Are you gonna eat all of the snacks?
No.
We're making Rice Krispie treats. Benjamin. Okay, now we're gonna let these harden up and they'll be ready to go.